Welcome to how to transfer photos from camera to iPhone. So in this video we are going to show you how to transfer photos from camera to iPhone. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, what you're gonna have to do, you need to download and install this application in your iPhone. Okay, so this is Camera Connect. So you can basically go to the App Store and you can search for Camera Connect, and you can basically download and install this application. Then you will open up this application and then you will tap on this plus icon at the top left where it says register your camera, and then you need to select your camera model. So let's suppose that if I have this one, EOS R100, I will select this one. And then what you're gonna have to do, you just need to open up Bluetooth on your camera and the Bluetooth on your iPhone, and then connect your camera with your iPhone via Bluetooth. Okay, and after this your iPhone will be connected to your camera, and then you can easily transfer photos and videos to your iPhone. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.